Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss about WhatsApp chat log feature. So we are going to discuss how you can get WhatsApp chat log feature if it's not showing and how you can use it. For example, what first of all you have to simply open the Snapchat and you have to simply open any kind of chat and you have to simply open the information of that chat, and here you can easily find the option of chat log option. If you scroll it down, for this you have to simply click on chat log feature, and after that if you turn this on, then they will ask you about that this feature will only be on when you use your fingerprint. And after that, here you can see I have logged the chat, and if I scroll it down, then here I can find that logged chat. In this way you can use the log chats feature, which mean you can simply log any chat you want. Now if it is not showing, then how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store, and here you have to search for WhatsApp, and here you have to simply search for WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is not showing any kind of update, then you have to wait, because it is only available to few users or few countries on WhatsApp. Chat log feature is available, so you have to wait for some time so that you can also get the WhatsApp chat log feature. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.